Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying every day of your life. And I also hope you all are having a great month of August. So here I am back with the week ahead reading, and this reading is for the second week of August beginning on the 8th till the 14th of August. So great, let's begin the reading and see how the week is going to be for all the zodiac signs. Let's begin with the first sun sign, Aries. You should watch your finances because you could be unnecessarily spending a lot of money, a lot of expenses coming up. So watch out for that. And instead of having more conversations, you may have quarrels or disagreements. So beware of that. And also looks like hindrances in matters of the heart. Okay, so just be a little careful. Next sun sign, Taurus. This week you may have new emotional opportunities, or your existing relationship can also deepen, because I feel you may feel an upsurge of emotions throughout the week. So keep it balanced. But your financial opportunities are still a little far away, so I don't see any financial opportunities opening up right now. So you need to have a little patience on that front. Next sun sign, Gemini. I feel that you could be either receiving money like bonus, incentive, or loans approved from the bank, or giving money, so either charity or signing some deals. But at the same time, there is a warning for volatile situations, aggressive situations, can be outbursts, anger of people, or it could be just a flash of insight which may just give you some enlightenment. Next sun sign, Cancer. So you may feel that your creative energies are constricted, and others are dominating you, so don't let that happen. And another problem you may feel is that you are unable to say no. Okay, so you need to work on that this week really well. And those of you who are in relationships, it's a good time to take it ahead and make a proposal. Leos, you need to be very careful of the environment around you, because things may just happen under your nose and you may not even come to know about it. Okay, so just look around and see if you feel suspicious about something. Be careful, that's a red flag for you. And if you're working on a project, please work with very strict deadlines and make sure every small detail is looked into, because that's going to be very important. Next, Virgos. I feel this week is going to be very important for you. You will understand that beautiful cosmic pattern which is there and which is behind everything that happens in our lives. You could also feel like a star with all that limelight and recognition around you. At the same time, you need to look at the bigger picture, set a direction in your life, and maybe take guidance, okay, like a spiritual guidance, so that you understand what is the purpose of your life. Let's move on to Libra. I feel that you should really be careful of your spontaneous decisions. So refrain from being very adventurous and plunging into situations unless you are doubly sure of what you're doing. Also, be very fair and ethical in your work approach. Otherwise, I feel you could be in a no-win situation and may not have a lot of support of your friends or relatives around you. So be a little careful. Next sun sign is Scorpio. So anything that you are planning to do this week, it's not going to be as per your expectation or plans, and it is only because you are not capable of doing it right now. So you may not have the set of skills which are required to do them. I would suggest do not do it now. Wait for the next opportunity. And good times at home, so celebration and happiness and harmony. Next up, Sagittarius. I feel this week you are going to take a spiritual journey into your past, where you will understand what you did wrong, and you will have a sense of ownership and accept your mistakes and take responsibility of your actions, which is a wonderful thought, because by the virtue of that you are going to open doors of abundance, prosperity, and a new life for yourself. Next up, Capricorn. you are going to pamper yourself. You are going to really spend money on yourself, and you really deserve it because it's long overdue for all the hard work that you have done. So it's the right time for you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. At the same time, you are going to feel that you are on top of the world, but keep that emotion under check. Otherwise, it can topple you off from that position of power and authority that you are enjoying right now. Next up, Aquarius. You are going to receive a communication regarding something which is long overdue, like a notification or a letter. It could be something legal, okay, but it is going to be in your favor. You have really worked hard for it. At the same time, I see lots on your plate, so you need to prioritize your work. You need to be absolutely calm, centered and balanced so that you can handle everything this week. It's going to be a really busy week for you. Next up, Pisces. You are going to enjoy this week with your family. It's going to be a time of joy, happiness and harmony in your family, okay? And if you feel that you are surrounded with problems and you are the only person who has issues, then my friend, you need to come out of this victim mode and stop victimizing yourself. Go out, ask for help and affirm to yourself that you are going to come out of this situation. So be positive. So that's it for this week. I hope my readings are keeping you in positive mind and helping you make more informed decisions. As a tarot reader, my motto is to give more empowering readings and help you believe in yourself. So I'll see you soon next week, and till that time, enjoy, have fun, be positive and stay happy.